Hi, happy spring and happy Easter weekend. We're here at Jenkins Arboretum. Oh, I can't even say that. Jenkins Arboretum and Gardens here in Devon, PA. So here at Jenkins, it's free admission and it's open to the public. They have trails and a pond to walk around and a gift shop, and they have plenty of plants if you're interested in picking up some plants to green up your area, which we absolutely can't avoid. We have to go in the gift shop. And it's beautiful wooded area, and a lot of people here. You can bring your kids. Like her behind me. So let's get going. Thanks. So we're heading into the gift shop because it's only open till 4 p.m. and it has some really nice plants here. Oh, those are unusual. I like those. And sculpture. You can put some frogs and turtles in your garden. I'm gonna head in. Perfect. We got some nice postcards. And this is the garden shop. Somebody made some jewelry. It's very pretty. Well, we like those. Those are nice. And stuff. You can put up special birdhouses. And we're gonna head down out onto the deck out here and get on the path. Nice little water fountain made out of a tree trunk. So we're gonna go over to the Azalea Hill. See where the path goes. So we're gonna go in the woodland walk. This one goes back to the pond. Pretty flowers. They're bloodroot. They're very nice. It's all kind of like a crushed gravel walk and very wooded. We just listened to a tufted titmouse bird. So there's a lot of birds back here. There's a lot of birds back here. There's a tufted titmouse. So we used the Merlin bird ID to record the sound, and it found a tufted titmouse, a cute little blue-gray bird. Beautiful. A beautiful day today. The sky real blue, and it's a little bit of breezy. So it's a very nice spring day. Redwood trees back here, and these are the field of Virginia bluebell flowers. They look really pretty. They just bloomed. Pretty cool. And you can see the pond over there, so I'm going to be heading down the trail to go down to it. Over there is the Azalea Hilltop. That's a different trail. You see people up there. And you can see the azalea bushes. They are in bloom already. So we'll head up there after we go down to the pond. And there's cool little yellow flowers all over here. Japanese Paris, and it just got these really pretty little flowers on it, and it's just so fragrant and smells so lovely. I thought it was a honeysuckle, but it's not, and it's just really, really pretty. And you can see all the little bells, but it smells super, super good. All right, so we're here at Terrain Cafe, and it has flowers that you can buy. So we're gonna go stop in here for a bite to eat, and then very close by is a supercharger in Concordville. So we're gonna stop there before we head up to the Wyndham Microtel, which is a little bit cheaper rate than the hotels down by Longwood Gardens. So let's check out Terrain and see what they have. We're inside Terrain Cafe. It's beautifully decorated. It's like eating inside a greenhouse, and had wonderful service. They had a nice selection of very vegan and farm-to-table meals. I got the roasted beef salad. They had a lot of sparkling waters to choose from, ice cream and sorbet. And I also got a rose cardamom latte to go. And I would highly recommend visiting this place. There was so much to see. The gifts, the flowers, the books, candles, everything you possibly need to make your house more cozy and warm. I really loved it here. I could spend hours here.